Hey, you. Yeah, you know I'm talking to you. If you're interested in getting soft, natural curls or waves in your hair because your hair's too straight, or just because your hair gets so frizzy if you let it dry on its own, please stay tuned. I have the product that you should try. This is not a sponsored video at all. This is just a product I found at ulta.com, and I am talking about this product right here. It has been so nice to me. I get these luscious curls. I call them luscious. And I don't have to use a hairdryer or a curler. I just use this, a straight comb, and some butterfly clips. You don't even need the butterfly clips. That's just me. But if you're interested, stay tuned. If you are here for this type of video and you want to see more videos on natural hair, because right now I'm currently going through a gray hair transition, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy. Okay, so my hair is all wet. So I've just dabbed the end so that I don't drip. And I'm going to start working the product into my hair, all over my hair with a wide comb. So you just spray the product on the comb and then work it into your hair. You can part it however you want. You can use your fingers, but I think this method is better because it gets into all the hair. And I just start working it in line by line, part by part. And I'm gonna do this all over so that this video is not so long, and I'll show you once I'm done what it looks like. So I'm done. I parted my hair kind of crazy, but I parted it. Now I'm just gonna start scrunching it. To get that curl, you want to scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. See how it starts forming curlies? Okay, I'm just gonna keep on doing this all over with my fingers, my hands. You can hear the product because I have a lot. I use a lot. I don't know how much to use, but I use a lot. Okay, so now that I've scrunched it, and you can scrunch as it's drying. You can scrunch throughout the day just to get it, you know, curly. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a few little of these butterfly pins or whatever, and I'm just going to kind of rise it, make it go up so that I get some volume in my hair, and also my hair will set kind of going back. Look at that curl. You can even do that if you want. I have, and in the back I do the same with a few more small ones. Let me see where those are. Right here. I have a lot of these. I really like these little butterflies. Just do sections of my hair so that I can get some volume. Just different sections, and it'll kind of make it rise. Okay, and I will see y'all back after this gets dry. But you see how I raise my hair and how the curls are forming? But this is what it looks like while it's processing. Okay, I have an update for you at 25 minutes. This is how my hair looks at 25 minutes. The back. It's almost completely dry. Nice so far. We'll see what the end result looks like. I'll be back. I'm back. And this is the end result. My hair is completely dry now. It's so nice to have your hair wet because it just cools your whole body. You don't feel hot, especially in this heat. So I'm gonna take these little butterflies off to show you what it looks like. See how it kind of stays a little poofy? Not too poofy, but a little poofy. Okay, there we go. There you have it. There you have it. What do y'all think? This is the end result. Make sure to use your fingers. Do not put a comb or brush into it. Thanks for watching.